Hey everyone, it is Labour Day, ironically named a holiday where you don't work. Anyway, I have an important question for everyone. Why are you here? But seriously, why are you here? Is it for updates on my 1936 Chevy Master Deluxe Coupe? Is it to watch me struggle to maintain a 2010 Ram 1500 Hemi? Are you interested in electric cars, and specifically a Mini Cooper SE? Are you here to see me build a low-cost 7, Super 7 Lotus or whatever that's supposed to be? Maybe you're mad for the Bavarian Motor Works. Or are you just here for my sparkling personality? There is no wrong answer. I will continue working in all these vehicles, but I don't want to be wasting your time on videos that you're just not interested in. With that said, let me do a little update on the fleet, let you know what's coming up this week. Starting with the truck. Last week I detailed the truck, or at least the outside. Inside is still disgusting. And again, needs new duct tape over there. And once it's all clean, we will do the fuel cap warning light test to see if it just needed a clean. Yes, that's a thing. I hinted a few weeks ago about something potentially amazing for Bugsy. And that amazing thing could potentially be this. This is a power steering rack that was on this project, Low Cost 7. It's a power rack, and I believe it might be from a Thunderbird or a Cougar. If the distance between this knuckle and that knuckle is the same as a Mustang 2, then I could be getting power steering in Bugsy pretty soon. I just need to get underneath and measure the existing distance between knuckle there to there. Make sure I've got space for the whole power steering assembly, namely all this stuff. And then we could be a goer. I will need some parts, but that could be awesome. My son's 328. I'm currently waiting for a couple of parts for the back, for the parking brake, and we'll get on that. They should be here later this week. It also desperately needs a good clean and polish. My wife's Mini needs absolutely nothing. It is perfect. So all I'll be doing with the Mini is reviews on ownership so far. I did a 2-week ownership review, so I need to do a monthly ownership review, let you know how we're getting on with that electric car. And of course, we need to do something with the Low Cost 7 project. I'm desperately trying to find rear suspension for it. I've got a Turbo 2 rear differential, Turbo 2 half shafts, but I've got nothing to connect them to. I don't have any hubs, hub carriers, brakes, anything like that. I did find a guy that's going to sell me this stuff. I have to take it all off the car myself, and he wants $500. I have no idea if $500 is a fair price for hubs and brakes. Maybe you can tell me. Other than that, I might have to try and find a completely different rear suspension setup. I'd rather not go fixed, a solid rear axle, but if that's all I can get, that's what I'll have to do. So that's what's coming up in Scott Rods. If any of these vehicles tickle your fancy, make sure you subscribe and click the little bell to be notified immediately of the next video on your chosen topic. Oh, before you go, I do have a couple of shout outs. First one, Gary Collins dropped by with a couple of gauges for Bugsy. Speedo, and that one. It's like brake light, brake fluid. I won't be using that one, but it's here if anyone needs it, because Gary was going to throw it out. I don't throw stuff out. Well, I do once a year. This Speedo is great though. Needs a bit of a clean, but if you check down here, it's got a little lever. Tells you what gear you're in. I mean, I know what gear I'm in, but it means that no one else can drive the car without knowing. No one else can drive the car and know immediately what gear they're in. Isn't that cool? Need to figure out how that's going to work. Right. Sorry, link up there for Gary's channel. Gary Collins, he's building a 1940s Ford hot rod. It's really cool, so check that out. Second, I want to give a big shout out to Tools and Track, Tommy and Mechanical Hodor over in Glasgow, the homeland. They're building a low cost 7 and I'm learning a lot from these guys. And finally, oh sorry, link up there. And finally, one of my favourite channels is Turlo's Garage. Go and visit Andy. He is building a rat rod from basically whatever he's got lying about on his driveway. It's really cool. Extremely good fun to watch. So go and check out Andy, Turlo's Garage, link up there. Right, everyone, thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe, click the bell, or you just want to see what I'm up to. And I'll be up to a lot, so take care. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.